Standing amidst the open landscape of the Algarve, Portugal, this house exemplifies how a cargo container can be transformed into a comfortable and distinctive home. With its compact size, this house offers a simple way of living without sacrificing the quality of space or connection to the surrounding nature. From a distance, the original container shape is still clearly visible. However, the use of natural materials on the exterior makes the building feel warmer and blends in with the rural environment. The design does not attempt to dominate the site, but rather sits quietly amidst the expansive landscape. Entering the interior, a different atmosphere is immediately apparent. The predominant wood surfaces create a warm and cozy atmosphere. The efficient layout allows for maximum utilization of every corner, ensuring that the limited space remains spacious and functional. The sleeping area, kitchen, and living room are housed in a simple yet well-organized layout. Large openings allow natural light to enter throughout the day, while strengthening the visual connection between the interior and the views outside. The presence of nature becomes part of the daily experience inside the house. One of the striking elements of the cargo house is its rooftop terrace, which provides additional space for enjoying the outdoors. From this vantage point, residents can view the expansive Algarve landscape, making the roof not just an accessory, but a vital part of the home's life. Through its simple and thoughtful approach, Cargo House demonstrates how a small dwelling can offer substantial comfort. This project exemplifies how efficient design, natural materials, and a connection with the environment can create a warm and meaningful living experience.